So what is mindset and why is it important? Mindset, first of all, let's start with what mindset is not. For a lot of people out there who are having challenges as a salesperson, having challenges as an entrepreneur, or even having challenges as a human being, and you hear someone say, well, just have a positive mindset. Someone's like, well, that's easy for you to say. So it's not just being super happy all the time. Sometimes that's a result of a great mindset and an intentional mindset. It's not just rainbows and unicorns. It's not just don't worry, be happy. Mindset is knowing that you have the ability to create the life that you desire. Mindset is having faith in the outcome that you desire and your ability to create it. An intentional mindset, in my opinion, is the most important thing that there is. The reason why is because it will guide everything that you do. Someone with a powerful mindset, if you look at the most successful people out there on the planet, they clearly have an intentional and purposeful mindset. So it's not just about having a positive mindset. If you're, in my opinion, smart, you will utilize positivity as part of your intentional mindset. But more so, it's about having an intentional mindset. It's about recognizing a North Star in your life. It's about deciding who you want to be and taking action on it every single day. And sometimes taking action on it is just reminding yourself of who you want to be and who you deserve to be. And by having faith, a lot of the time people look at faith and they just say, oh, well, there'd be a religious standpoint. It's just something that I think and maybe, and it could be shaken. Faith of a mustard seed. No, listen, faith, in my opinion, is faith. Faith is a belief, an absolute belief in something in particular. So when you combine that with a mindset, I'm believing in the outcome that I desire and that life will give me all the tools and experiences necessary to bring it about. That is what mindset is about. It is about waking up every day and deciding who you want to be and to do something about it. When you have a bad sales call, you have a call and maybe you've been working with somebody for a month and you finally get to the final call and they say, you know what, I just decided not to go with you, or they go someplace else, or you just don't hear from them even. It could be easy for us to go back and, oh my gosh, did I waste my time? Oh my, why did this person's a jerk? Why didn't they just call me and tell me they didn't want to do it? You know, and there's a lot of other videos on this channel that can speak to some of those challenges. But specifically from an energetic standpoint, when you have challenging situations, and obviously those are minimal, right, in the grand scheme of life. But whatever the challenging situation is, if you recognize that life is happening for you and is not happening to you, you step into your greatness with purpose and you say, okay, that sales call didn't go well for a reason. What was the reason? And instead of spending your physical energy, like literally when we think thoughts, we are literally creating physical energy. And that energy could be focused on, why did that go? Why didn't this person call me back? Or why did that person say no? Or I suck at sales? Or how did I get in this job? And I'm going to ruin my life. And those are literally thoughts that you are creating, right? And so instead, a mindset, an intentional mindset says, okay, this experience just occurred. Who do I want to be because of it? How can I allow that experience that just occurred to be better and focus and lead me more towards the direction that I am intending? How can I utilize the experience that just occurred to be a part of the outcome that I desire? Mindset is deciding that you deserve the outcome that you desire. Mindset is understanding that you have the ability, and with a greater intelligence than us combined, that's why I say co-creator, right? We co-create. We've been given this gift of life. We've been given this ability to have conversation, to know what we want, to make choices every single day and have faith that they will occur. The other co-creator is God, the universe, life itself, whatever you want to call it. There's a greater intelligence that keeps us alive, that allows our heart to be beating every day, that created us from the beginning, right, in some capacity. So when we combine, that wouldn't have happened for for no reason whatsoever, in my opinion. So the importance of mindset cannot be understated. When you wake up in the morning, recognize that the sun is rising for you today. Decide that you're going to do something about it. And when you start to make a habit of daily practice of understanding that life is a gift and that mindset is valuable and important, and it becomes more of who you are, then that is actually what will happen. It will become your life. And so, and then you start to be positive. And you start to, believe that, life can be rainbows and unicorns. You don't have to worry. You can be happy because that's your choice. And it does take practice like anything else. But when you start to step into it on a daily basis and you recognize that it is always an option to choose how you're feeling and who you want to be, and that's when you step into your greatness. And that's when the life begins to unfold. And that's when you get closer and closer to your desires. And if it's a sales number, if it's just having better phone calls, if it's just enjoying life more often than not, mindset is the key, because really everything happens for you and it's up to you to decide that every single day. And that's the most important mindset you can have. Hope this was helpful. If you got something out of it, be sure to click the subscribe button because there's lots more coming. Click the thumbs up if you liked it and leave some comments. If you liked it, if you didn't like it, let me know your thoughts. I'd love your theories. I'd love your perspective. But for me, there's a reason I'm the headmaster of mindset is because mindset is the most important thing there is. So step into your greatness today, and I hope to see you again soon.